Meaning of Georg Solti.
Georg Solti.
Georg Solti.
Georg Solti.
Georg Solti. Georg Solti was a Hungarian-born conductor who was widely considered as one of the greatest conductors of the 20th century. He was particularly renowned for his interpretations of the works of Wagner, Mahler, and Richard Strauss. Solti led several major orchestras during his long and illustrious career, including the Chicago Symphony Orchestra, the London Philharmonic Orchestra, and the Vienna Philharmonic Orchestra. He also won an impressive 31 Grammy Awards throughout his career, more than any other classical artist in history. Overall, Georg Solti's legacy as a conductor and musician remains highly respected and admired to this day.